I want to start putting some of the noise deadener and other things on the interior, but before I do that, I have to sort these seats because I feel like there's going to be some welding here. So I have these seats that are quite nice. I mean, really comfortable. They're out of a smart car, a ForTwo, and I think they'll seat in here really nicely, but they're a little tall, or I'm a little tall, and the car's a little short. It's one of the two. But either way, it makes it very difficult for me to be in there comfortably and to reach the shifter and other things. So, in any case, what I'm thinking, these are the existing rails on these seats, and they're very large. They're long. The existing spacing is literally 12 inches on the existing rails. So these were the passenger side. You can see that the slider mechanism on here is in the wrong place. So that goes on the other side. I just picked these up today at the wrecking yard off a Datsun, I think it was a 720 pickup. And they're pretty much the same. So I think that's gonna work. And I think the idea is gonna be to take these and literally weld them on here, but higher, like that, so that I gain a couple inches, well, I lose a couple inches and the car goes down. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna start futzing with that and see how far I get. You'd think they built these seats to keep you safe or something. Holy cow. Cutting these is a chore. So I got that one seam done. You can see down from the top. I used this as a guide. So it made a nice cut, but there's all this stuff in here. So I don't know, I guess I'll have to cut through that too. All right, so now we have something we can work with. I got that thing to a nice little shelf there, or L bar, right? So this was on here, the other piece. So this will provide a nice platform for that to mount onto. Let's see if you see that from the top. It's pretty sweet. So now to do the other side. And that is how you lower a seat. Picking up on these seats again, to match the rail positions in the car, I had to make this narrower. So I basically welded a little flange on each side of here because I got to be on 15 inches, which puts me like right about on those welds for the holes in the rails to match up. So I think it's going to work. Passenger seat rails mounted. So basically on this one I just put these dog ears welded onto the existing frame. So it's pretty much resting half of what was this existing L bracket sort of here. So that's good. That's awesome. Here, show you what it looks like in the car. It's snug as a bug in there, but it's pretty awesome.